back to Off-Road Diaries. My name is Jonathan, if you're new to the channel. And I've got somewhere in there my lovely wife Krista and little baby Miles. He's just hanging out. We're gonna try this little strap thing. I see all these people using it all the time. We made it, guys. We made it to beautiful Winchester Bay. You probably saw that in the last video, but I'm gonna show you again in the daytime. So, got this nice spot here. Thank you, Steve. And we got the gas lined up right there. I cleaned up Sherb, she was dusty. We got Miles just hanging out.
He's ready for a ride.
Got our RSK flag flying. We're gonna go run and check out the progress really quick. I'm gonna see what's happening over there. So, for you guys who have never been to Winchester Bay, Oregon before, it's an interesting layout. It's kind of campgrounds all over the spot, kind of like at different parts of the dunes. And then you got sand pod camping, which is camping in the sand. And Fancy the Fleetwood, she is not feeling it. Man, guys, I got all these crusties on my nose, and my nose is sunburned. So anyways, we are going to go and check out the
nose is peeling. Oh, and where that rock flung at you. Hold on, we gotta figure out how to put Miles' earmuffs on him. How should I?
Oh, that look on his face. Oh.
I don't know how to do these really. I feel like it's gonna like stretch on his head. Like, how is that not gonna be too tight for his little head?
New parenting.
I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing.
Don't squish his head. Anyways, the trail access to get to Vendor Row is actually just a 10-mile-per-hour road, so it's just a flat sand trail. So we're gonna put over to Vendor Row real quick. Okay, guys, we're over here at Vendor Row. They're getting everything set up still. Lots of vendors still coming in right now, which is pretty rad. Baby Miles had an awesome trip down the road that took all of 4 minutes to get here. Put these little earmuffs on him.
He can't really turn his head very well, so I just don't want him.
Yeah.
I don't want him to feel constricted the whole time he's in there.
Yeah, so we got lots of vendors here. Looks like Vivo Off-Road. They sell lots of jerseys and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Looks like lots of the vendor cars are getting set up here at the booth. King Kong UTV. But my first mission is to find some food. There's Steve, the man, the myth, the legend. Look at that. That car is pretty cool. It's all pink and purple. Oh, got a little turbo kit on it. Good looking car.
It is a little chilly out
What's
there.
happening?
Good morning.
What's up? We came here to see you and you weren't even here at your own food truck. What's up with that, Greg? But we're here at Elkhorn Barbecue.
So
they got
dry.
pretty good food.
It's so dry.
What is?
Oh, he was saying every time he goes to Utah, he gets nosebleeds.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
yeah, it's so weird being down here because there's just a little bit of crisp of humidity, so you actually feel like you're getting hydrated again. Damn, Zach, you even got your sticker on here. Brandon's got his sticker on here. Dirt and Dunes Photography. It needs an Off-Road Diaries.
Be here. Island Noodles.
Oh yeah, they do.
Oh, yeah. Is that
Island Noodles is freaking good. If you ever see them at any of the takeover events, which are usually at all of them, you should definitely snag you some up.
They're gonna be here.
They're gonna be here.
So
but the people seeing this, they're already gonna be.
But you're not gonna be here, unfortunately. But you might be. You may have been, because technically this would be the past for you, but right now it's the present that we're making for a future video.
Yeah, exactly. And then Baby Miles is here.
Baby Miles is here.
He just goes to that little basket thing and he just is happy in there. And sorry guys, I can't talk up super loud right now. I've talked so much over the last week. I'm starting to lose my voice, so in case you're wondering why I'm sounding a little softer. Okay guys, I'm here with the one and only Corey. He is the best night leader I've ever followed in my life. Hands down, he can lead you through the sand in the dark. And I can't do that, I'll wreck. So tell them what we're expecting this week. What's the deal? What are we doing?
It's going to be a little bit wild. We'll probably have to stay a little single file because there's lots of Razorbacks out there, but car's running good. We got the freaking suspension dialed in for out here. And
what suspension are you running?
MTS.
Nice.
Oh yeah. No,
Any other special tips or tricks you want to tell the kiddos?
Don't drive over your head, and if you don't think you're gonna make it on something, turn down the hill. Don't keep going, because you'll get spun out.
That goes for all you guys. Don't be afraid to turn down if you're a new duder. But yeah, you'll be seeing some good fun action with him in future coming videos. Our next door neighbor happens to be Matt Barker with MB Whips. How cool is that? He's just backing up his rig with that big old trailer back there. He's the one that does these lights right here. And also the whip lights, the whips that I have that usually are up there, but I don't run them during the day just because I don't want to break them. So yeah, he's right there. How cool is that? Livy and Greg made it. I didn't record because I was in a hurry to get back to watch baby Miles. Now we're over here. Camp is set up. Gas is lined up. Tires. That one has a slow leak in Sherb. Gonna take Sherb out. There's Princess Leia. We're washing these wheels that are just dirty. So yeah. All right, let the cleaning commence. Okay guys, it is night ride time. It's the industry ride, so it's where all the vendors and everybody gets together. Saw Corey over there earlier, which I think I showed you guys, and then Sketchy Greg and TJ Gibson. Guys are crazy known senders. So, Patty Mayo got her paddles on. I put some slime in them to hopefully slow it down. Yeah, I know that stuff sucks. Got a day whip on Sherb, so Krista can putt slowly to Vendor Row. We're off, guys. Let's go for a fun ride. You guys are going to be blown away if you've never watched any of our videos or seen any of the takeover night rides. They're always a blast. Krista says she's sad to miss this one. It's going to be fun, guys. Sorry, I'm all over the place. They already go through?
They're going that way, wrapping around. They're all meeting on top of Banshee Hill, and they're all running down both lanes out.
So they're that way?
Yeah, they're wrapping around Banshee.
Oh, they're wrapping around Banshee.
Yeah, that's what from what I understand. Yeah, they might be taking a longer route, so I just, yeah.
Can I wrap with you?
If you want to.
Have fun. Yeah, she's been dying to ride in one. Dude, give her a ride.
Oh, yeah.
She'll love it.
Don't take the beer, though. I don't want a DUI.
Right.
I can't get fucked up. I'm way away from home. I don't know where, so did they go that way or they went that way?
This way.
Amanda, say hi.
Hi.
She want to go for a ride. You never ridden a side-by-side before?
I've been in a side-by-side before, but not this year.
Oh. She's been in a side-by-side before. I don't know Winchester that well, guys, so I had to like follow the lines, and we eventually found them. Bam! They're right there. So I missed the first leg, but we're gonna catch the leg back. Oh, is that Sketchy Greg? Is that the notorious Sketchy Greg right there? The one.
Backyard.
I'm in his backyard.
You know what those green things are?
Tell me more.
Those are trees.
Jesus.
You don't say.
They're green like that year round out here.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, in Utah, you know what we have? Not trees.
Dirt.
We
So
got-
what's funny is while these guys were setting up this event, I was finding bits of Utah from the conduits they put in. They
Oh,
pull
really?
it out and dropping little bits of Utah sand. I was like,
Oh.
my second favorite place on earth.
What's your first?
St. Anthony's,
Ooh.
Idaho. That place has my heart. Oregon's my third, so you know, you guys.
You hear
rank
that?
higher.
A local that loves St. Anthony's more than his own dunes. Although I'll say, these dunes here, guys, like, I didn't realize they got as massive as they do. It's interesting. So we're gonna catch Corey and we're gonna go back with him. We're actually gonna rip. was freaking fun, guys. And as a matter of fact, it was fun until it wasn't. Unfortunately, I didn't record this part because it was actually very sad. Livy blew her engine up, and I didn't want to put a camera on her in the middle of the sadness. I towed them back to camp. Greg literally just got here this morning, and Livy's heart is broke. Livy, I know you'll watch this. I want you to know that I love you, buddy. And it's gonna be, by the time this video comes out, your car's already gonna be fixed. So you're gonna realize that some things are just temporary, and maybe it was holding you back. So today's positive message: when things like that happen, just because bad is happening now doesn't mean that bad is forever. Bad is only temporary, and your mindset can change it. And I do mean that. I've had a lot of bad things happen in my past. I just want you guys to know that if you're having a bad day, it's not always gonna be bad. So anyhow, it's the VIP party. Krista's here. She brought baby Miles here for his first trip with her driving. And we're gonna go and enjoy the VIP night with all of the homies. So let's see what's happening. I'm not gonna be able to say much because they're gonna like try to get me for copyright music, but we're here.
He has funnel cakes now.
Yeah. We got the headphones on baby
Oh, and
Miles.
fried Oreos.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
look at them. He does not like them at all.
As long as it's the banana with the mustache.
So let me reiterate this. So I was talking to Steve, one of the owners of the YouTube ticker. So Clark Kent, Superman, right? Clark Kent, Superman takes the glasses off. Now it's Clark Kent, right? But wait, oh, with the glasses, but he takes them off, Superman. Did you know that this was Waldo, or was it Curtis?
Go and try and luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, it's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him.
You got it. I want this on camera.
Grudge match. There's apparently a grudge match. Troy Lee versus Troy Lee. 7,000 horsepower versus 20 horsepower. There's a grudge match going on. I got nothing to say to that. All right, turn it around. You are gonna race my Troy Lee that's got 20 horsepower against 700? No, 7,000. 7,000. Okay, well, hold on. For his exhaust, that's it.
I was gonna give it to him for free anyway. So
I'll go with these.
You okay? Hey, thank you very much. Follow.
yes, like, share, follow. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Team Project Mayhem.
Yes, Team Project Mayhem. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. We appreciate you. We love you. We'll see you later. Love you. Bye. What a freaking night rip. Core 11. If you don't follow him, you should. Awesome guy. And he does a hell of a job leading. That was a good rip. I don't know how many cars we passed, but probably 40-ish, I would guess. I like to start at the back and go catch up. But check this out, guys. Look at all these people here. We got like the whole freaking crew.
Jonathan got burned by the fire here. Yo. Oh, and just spilled some of his. Ah! No!
That hurt really bad. You don't talk about Fight Club. That's the #1 rule.
Yeah.